Alrighty guys, we're here at the Sheraton, here downtown Indy. I was going to film the parking elevators, but since they're undergoing a renovation, as they call it, we're going to film the glass one here. This was an Otis Lexan that unfortunately got modded by Otis. I bet the parking elevators are probably gonna get modded too by Otis too. It's coming down. It's very slow. Here it is. Here's the glass one. Oh no. 21. That patio.
First floor. Going
Easy down. There's an Otis sticker in there. There's soldiers and sales monument over there. One of the tall buildings here in Indy. Here we go, where the parking garage is.
lower level.
That's cool.
Going up.
Nice cams. And that was a ride on the glass car. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.